Due to some of the irregular geometry on the edges of these pockets, CamWorks did not recognize them when I ran Automatic Feature Recognition, or AFR. Fortunately, since these holes are spaced evenly, we have the ability to define just one of the pockets using a sketch and then use a pattern to define the rest. I'll switch to the sketcher and insert a sketch from the top face of this part. I'll hold my Control key down as I select the edges of this pocket. And use the Convert Entities command to add the segments to my sketch. I'll exit the sketch and return to the CamWorks feature tree so I can add a 2.5 axis feature into my part setup. This will be a pocket feature, and I'll use the sketch I just created. To define the depth, I'll select a vertex at the bottom of the pocket. When I click Finish and Close, you see the feature has been added to the tree. In order to pattern this feature, all I have to do is right-click on the feature and select Pattern. Insert Pattern. This Feature Pattern dialog box behaves the same way as the Linear Pattern function in SOLIDWORKS. First, I will pick an edge to specify the first direction. Make sure it's going in the right direction, and specify the distance between instances and the number of instances. I'll click down here to activate the selection box to specify the other direction and repeat the process. Just as in SOLIDWORKS, this box allows me to skip certain instances, such as the one in the corner. I'll click on the dot to remove it and click OK to finish the pattern. Now when I generate an operation plan in toolpaths, you'll see all the features in the pattern were machined. Keep this pattern feature in mind as a handy way to save time in defining features that are equally spaced. This function also works for features that are patterned in a circular fashion.